Hey there, thanks for stopping by. On this video, we are going to be doing a pretzel bacon cheese smash burger. So let's get going. All right, so I'm sure a lot of you have been seeing the commercials out there by a certain royal fast food place that has been doing this pretzel cheeseburger, bacon cheeseburger. I thought that'd be awesome to just make it ourselves. I've done a pretzel bun before. I'll have the link somewhere over here to go check that out. Very simple to do. I think I used the recipe from allrecipes.com. I'll also have the link in the description for that, but it's a very simple recipe to make at home. They come out awesome. And even if you don't make hamburger buns, you don't make pretzel sticks or just make pretzels out of them, it's awesome. So what I got here, and I did these ahead of time, is some pretzel buns. And again, very simple to make. I did I think about 8 of these, so we got totally enough. So those are done, easy. And what I got from my butcher is I had them brown some chuck for me, and this is 30% fat. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use my scale that I have over here. I don't know if you can see that. I'll put that right there. We're gonna be doing some 4-ounce patties. So we're just gonna be getting 4 ounces of meat. We're gonna shape them into a ball, and that's it. So there's 3, 8, 4, 3, and I'm going to be the anal retentive chef here to make sure these are dialed in. Whoop. Wow, that's 4 ounces. Take that. Just going to shape these into a ball, and I'm going to set them off to the side on some parchment paper. I'm going to do a few of these. So we got our hamburger all portioned out, 4 ounces each. Came out to about 8 balls. So we totally got enough for our hamburgers to our hamburger buns. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and just cut these out. Just go ahead and hit them with some salt and pepper. All right, let's go out and smash some burgers. All right, we're using the Lone Star offset. We got the skillet on there. You can see this thing's nice and hot. Gonna go ahead and get that down. Take our spatula. Press it down nice and good. All right, there you go. Nice and easy. If you do the buns ahead of time, it makes it even that much better. You know, do a nice batch of it, set it aside. When it comes time to make a hamburger, just make up some balls, smash it on that grill. You'll be done in no time. Let's go ahead and build a burger. And this is the way I like it. I know there's gonna be a lot of people that's gonna say, no, do it this way, do it that way. Do whatever you want with your burger. This is how I like it. We got a nice toast on these buns, these pretzel buns. I like hitting the bottom with some mayo. We'll get our smash burgers right on there. little bit of ketchup on top. Got some pickles. Gotta have pickles. And last but not least, gotta have the bacon. There you go. Pretzel bun, bacon, cheese, smash burger. That's pretty. I'm salivating over here. Now these are how I like to do my burgers. Do them any way you want, but this is how I like them. Let's bite into this. Now I haven't had that other place's pretzel burger, but I can only imagine. This is a hell of a lot better. The bun's nice and fresh. It tastes like a pretzel. The burgers have a nice crust on them from searing them with that smash technique. Basic ketchup and mayonnaise, some pickles, got that bacon, killer. You guys are about to give this a try. Go check out my pretzel bun recipe. I'll have, again, the link, iCard somewhere up here, and I'll also have the link down below. Let me know what you think. Remember, guys, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you on the next run. Thanks for watching.